Okay, good morning and welcome back to another video. This time I'm here in Kamala Beach, which is in Phuket, Thailand. I'll give you guys a bit of a look around. We're being followed by a cat as well. I think Cindy was being too friendly with it before. So now we might be pet owners. Beautiful day. This is the first morning we've got here in Kamala Beach. We have 5 nights here. We're staying at the Palms Kamala Beach Hotel. Putty cat. So the reason I chose to pick this sort of area, Kamala Beach, is mainly because I heard it's a bit more chilled out and quieter than Patong. So I think we definitely made the right decision. I mean, it's only, 7 o'clock in the morning, but yeah. Anyways, we're gonna go down here further and check this place out. Definitely very happy with the decision to stay here for 5 nights. This dog has also been following us for a little while now. Hey Poochie. I reckon all these areas must be like markets at night time. Something like that anyway. But we'll get time. We'll be able to come down here at night at some stage. I could see a little squirrel up in this tree as well. He just ran up the side of this tree here. Might be a bit hard to see him. Yeah, not going to try zooming in on that. Yeah, all the morning walkers are out, joggers. Some nice little resorts through here. Nice pools and a few bars and whatnot. We've just been back at the hotel for about an hour or two. Just had some breakfast. Nice watermelon smoothie. Cindy had a mango smoothie. And now we're gonna head out in the sun again. It's a beautiful day. And she's here. So let's go and explore more of Kamala Beach. I reckon that is a school. Just heading towards the beach. So because it is very hot outside today, I wouldn't be surprised if it's mid-30s. Decided to come back in again for a little bit. So I thought I'd show around this room here at the Palms Kamala Beach. Let's just turn the camera around for a second. So here's the kitchen area we have here. So we have a 2-bedroom apartment. So bedroom 1 is on the right. Bathroom here. Another bedroom with the bathroom there on the right as well. They just made up the room, so this will show you what it looks like. That goes straight out to the pool out there. It's the bathroom. And coming out here, as you'll see, goes straight out to the pool. Let's open this up a bit. So not too bad, all up, I think paid about maybe $509. Yeah, it was $509 for 5 nights. So what's that? Maybe $102, $101 and something each per night. And yeah, overall it's quite good. And just like that, it is our last day here at Kamala Beach, here in Phuket, Thailand. It's been a hell of a week, a lot of ups and downs for numerous reasons, which I'll explain shortly. But other than that, it's an absolutely beautiful place. And I thought I'd do this little check-in video as well, just to show where we're staying right now, because it's absolutely incredible and the view is amazing. But the weather is a bit crazy today, so thankfully I have filmed some clips on other days when the weather wasn't so crazy. Check this out. It's like our own private beach. But I'll come back inside where it's not so loud from all the wind and the waves. So the last section of the video you would have seen is actually from 1 week ago on last Tuesday. It's now the following Monday. We've had a hell of a week for numerous reasons. Got in on Monday night. I was quite sick due to food poisoning, actually from Singapore Airlines. You'll see that I didn't put that on the videos though, because you can't pinpoint it and there's no guarantees, and yeah. I'm not someone who's going to title my video, I got food poisoning from Singapore Airlines. I don't know. It just doesn't sit well with me because, yeah, there's no guarantees. I mean, I didn't eat anything else, so it definitely was, but could also be celiacs because there's no guarantee that they gave me 100% a gluten-free meal, because the chicken pasta they gave me on that first flight from Adelaide to Singapore, they were offering that to other passengers as well after I've eaten that, and I was just like, what the hell? What's going on there? Because usually they wouldn't be having gluten-free pasta for everyone because it's more expensive. Who knows? But anyways, aside from that little rant, Tuesday and Wednesday were really good. We got out there, got to walk down near the beach, and that was really nice, which you'll be able to see with some clips previously that you would have seen in this video. And then that night we went out, had a couple of drinks, not a lot really to be honest, quiet night, had some dinner, then we were in pretty early. The following day on the Wednesday, once again a very relaxed day, hopped in the pool, chilled out. That night we did actually make our way down to Patong, which was quite interesting. Went to Bangla Road, so tick that off the bucket list. That was absolutely crazy. I've never seen anything like that in my life. Definitely worth seeing if you're coming to Phuket, that is for sure, at least once. And yeah, that was really cool. Actually spent, good few hours there at one of these it's like a nightclubby place, but they play live music. So yeah, that was awesome. That was good fun. And yeah, a lot of interesting people walking around there, that's for sure. But I think we're back maybe 1:30 a.m. So anyways, it came to, Thursday morning. So the night after we went to Patong, and we had breakfast just at the local restaurant where we were staying, which we'd been there for a few days before, and everything seemed fine and food was quite nice. But we come back to the room from breakfast and I just got quite sick, and I have been ever since. So that was on Thursday morning, and it wasn't just myself, Cindy also got sick. So yeah, definitely food poisoning unfortunately, and it's the exact same symptoms. Won't go into all the details. Everyone's had food poisoning before, but it's not pleasant. Friday and Saturday weren't great. We had to change plans because we were going to originally catch a boat over to Railay Beach. That was proving to be difficult anyway, but we're going to catch a boat to Railay Beach, stay there for a few nights, then go to Al Nang for a night and get a cab, fly from Krabi up to Bangkok on the Tuesday, which is tomorrow. So we had to change those plans, and we had to find another hotel here in Kamala Beach, somewhere chilled out, which we have done, and then we'll fly. Thankfully Thai Airways are really good, so I called them up and they managed to change the flights over. Sorry if I'm really focusing on my words here, but I mean I probably always do, but I'm high on Panadol right now, I'm dosed up, but so they managed to change our flights, so tomorrow evening we'll be flying from here in Phuket up to Bangkok. So then we still get to keep our original accommodation up in Bangkok, which is all good. And I feel like I'm on the mend, that's the good part. Cindy's fine, I don't think she got it so badly. A couple of days there she wasn't great, but I don't know what's up with me, but I've really struggled with it. And then even yesterday, just crazy headaches and everything, but like I said, drugged up on the Panadol, so we're pushing forward, we're moving on. But anyways, enough about all the health complaints and all the issues we've had. this place is beautiful. So, I mean, if you're gonna be sick and if you're gonna have food poisoning, what better place? Kamala Beach, Phuket. Nah, but really, this place is awesome. We'll walk around here a little bit and I'll show you the resort we're staying at. So they have these like little apartments. So the first floor and the second floor, which is really cool. Ours is back behind us. Now further up ahead, they have these huge villas, which have maybe, I don't know, 2, 3, some even may have 4 bedrooms. And from up here, there's also a huge pool, it's all communal. Everyone can come to every area, but it's super quiet as well. And here is the main pool, I'd say, for the resort. Thankfully, I filmed all of these on probably the second day when the weather was a lot better. But it still obviously looks really nice. One thing I definitely recommend about this resort, if you're looking for a place to stay in Phuket or Kamala Beach, I think I've only seen 2 people since we first got here, 3 days ago. It's relatively big, but it's not huge. And yeah, the only time I saw them was on check-in. The only time I ever saw people was when we were checking in. And that was just when they were walking by the pool. But since then, super quiet. So if you love, quiet, secluded places, away from it, maybe check this place out. Back inside our apartment as well. They follow a Thai, I think it's Buddhist theme here. So, and they do actually specifically say in the email before you come, please do not touch or relocate any of those items. They also have quite a nice kitchen area here, which, as you can imagine, I've been cooking my own food today with the help of Cindy, thankfully. But yeah, just at the moment, especially looking after the stomach and everything, trying to be healthy, so it's quite nice having all that. A lot of water, as you can see in the corner, staying hydrated. But yeah, it's a really beautiful place, this one. Quite happy with it. I can't remember how much did we pay for this place? Almost 500 Australian dollars for 3 nights. For the views you get, it's worth it. So they also have a garden view apartments, which will maybe about $90 less for 3 nights, but pay the extra 90 and get yourself a nice view like this, I think. But yeah. Anyways, I think it's time we wrap this video up. Yeah, hasn't been all bad. Hasn't been amazing, of course, but that is what it is. Thankfully, we've got a massive trip ahead of us. So have a ton of days to be healthy and enjoy the trip. It's just unfortunate that this has happened, but such is life. It is what it is. We'll push forward, we'll move on. So tomorrow we're flying Thai Airways, which will be the next video. This one's obviously just been more so a bit of a check-in, show a bit of Kamala Beach, show what it's like around here, and the next one obviously be back up in a plane, flying Thai Airways on one of their A320s, I reckon it would be. I'd say probably one of the old Thai Smile aircraft that would have been flying as Thai Smile last year. So we'll see how that goes, but looking forward to it, and I'll see you on the next one. Catch ya.